Dive into the ocean where an entire universe of life awaits beneath the waves. The ocean is a vast, mysterious realm that covers more than 70% of our planet's surface, yet we have only explored a fraction of it, a world teeming with life. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is home to an incredible diversity of creatures. Fish, in all their shapes and sizes, are the stars of this watery show. They glide through the water with grace and agility, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. From the colorful coral reefs to the deepest trenches, fish thrive in every corner of our planet. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are bustling with life and vibrant colors. They come in a dazzling array of colors, patterns and forms, each more fascinating than the last. Some fish have bright, bold colors to warn predators, while others use camouflage to blend into their surroundings. Join us on a journey to explore these aquatic wonders. As we dive deeper, we encounter species that have adapted to the high pressures and low light of the deep sea. Imagine a world where fish can fly, walk on land, or even climb trees. The flying fish, for instance, can leap out of the water and glide through the air to escape predators or even change their gender. Some fish, like the clownfish, can change their gender as they grow, adapting to the needs of their social group. This is the reality of the underwater world. It's a place where the rules of life are different, and survival often depends on extraordinary adaptations. Fish have evolved extraordinary adaptations to survive in their unique environments. Some have developed bioluminescence to attract prey or mates, while others have evolved to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. Their stories are full of wonder, showcasing the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Each species has its own tale of survival, adaptation, and evolution, contributing to the rich tapestry of marine biodiversity. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this underwater world and celebrate the marvels of marine life.
In the coral reefs, camouflage is key to survival. Seahorses, with their horse-like heads and prehensile tails, blend seamlessly with the coral branches. They use their camouflage to ambush unsuspecting prey, their tiny mouths sucking up plankton and small crustaceans in a flash. Frogfish take camouflage to another level. These masters of disguise can change their skin color and texture to match their surroundings. They lie in wait, resembling rocks or sponges, until unsuspecting prey wanders too close. With lightning-fast reflexes, they strike, their large mouths swallowing their prey whole.
Descend into the ocean depths, a world of perpetual darkness. Here, fish have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. Many deep-sea fish possess bioluminescent organs, producing their own light in the darkness. These living lanterns serve various purposes, from attracting prey to communicating with potential mates. The anglerfish takes this adaptation to the extreme. This bizarre-looking fish has a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head like a fishing rod. Unsuspecting prey, attracted by the light, swim straight into the anglerfish's gaping jaws.
In the open ocean, speed is essential for survival. Sailfish, with their distinctive sail-like dorsal fins, are among the fastest fish in the sea. They use their incredible speed to chase down schools of smaller fish, their sharp bills slashing through the water. Tuna are another group of speedsters, built for endurance and long migrations. These powerful swimmers can cross entire oceans in search of food, their streamlined bodies cutting through the water with minimal resistance.
Section 5. Architects of the deep, parrotfish and triggerfish. These fascinating creatures are not just beautiful to look at, but they also play crucial roles in the underwater world. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are bustling ecosystems teeming with life. They provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a myriad of marine species, making them one of the most diverse and vital habitats on Earth. Parrotfish play a vital role in maintaining the health of these reefs. By feeding on algae that can otherwise smother corals, they help to keep the reef ecosystem in balance. Without parrotfish, algae could overgrow and choke the corals, leading to the decline of the entire reef. These colourful fish graze on algae, using their beak-like mouths to scrape it off rocks and coral. Their feeding activity not only controls algae growth, but also contributes to the production of sand. The parrotfish's digestion process grinds up the coral they consume, which is then excreted as fine sand, helping to create and maintain sandy beaches. Triggerfish, named for their trigger-like dorsal fin, are also important reef inhabitants. These fish are known for their bold and sometimes aggressive behavior, especially when it comes to protecting their territory and nests. These territorial fish create nests for their eggs, fiercely defending them from intruders. Their protective nature ensures the survival of their offspring, contributing to the continuity of their species within the reef ecosystem. Their digging and foraging activities help to oxygenate the reef, promoting the growth of corals and other organisms. By turning over the substrate, they facilitate nutrient cycling and create microhabitats for other marine life. This behavior is essential for the overall health and resilience of coral reefs, making triggerfish indispensable architects of their underwater world.
Section 6. A vital link. The importance of fish in the ecosystem. Fish are not just inhabitants of the water, they are vital to the very fabric of aquatic life. Fish are essential components of aquatic ecosystems. They serve as both predators and prey, creating a dynamic balance that sustains the underwater world. They play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of life underwater. Without fish, the intricate web of marine life would unravel, leading to the collapse of entire ecosystems. As predators, they regulate populations of smaller fish and invertebrates. This regulation prevents any one species from becoming too dominant, which could otherwise lead to the depletion of resources and the decline of biodiversity. As prey, they provide sustenance for larger marine animals, such as sharks, dolphins, and seabirds. This transfer of energy up the food chain is essential for the survival of these larger species. Fish also contribute to the health of coral reefs, control algae growth, and even influence the carbon cycle. By grazing on algae, they prevent overgrowth that can smother corals, ensuring the reefs remain vibrant and healthy. Their well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our oceans and the planet as a whole. Protecting fish populations is not just about preserving a single species, it's about maintaining the balance of our entire marine ecosystem. Healthy fish populations mean healthy oceans, which in turn support the overall health of our planet.
Section 7, the silent threat. Pollution and overfishing. Human activities are putting immense pressure on fish populations worldwide. Pollution from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris contaminates their habitats. Overfishing, driven by demand for seafood, depletes fish stocks faster than they can replenish. Climate change adds another layer of stress. Rising ocean temperatures and acidification disrupt marine ecosystems, threatening the delicate balance of life underwater. These threats, if left unchecked, could have devastating consequences for fish and the entire marine environment.
Section 8. Guardians of the Deep Marine Protected Areas. Protecting our oceans is a global responsibility. Marine protected areas, similar to national parks on land, offer a sanctuary for fish and other marine life. These designated zones restrict fishing and other harmful activities, allowing ecosystems to recover and thrive. Sustainable fishing practices are also crucial. By setting catch limits, using selective fishing gear, and promoting responsible aquaculture, we can ensure that fish stocks are managed responsibly for future generations. Section 9. Small actions, big impact, what you can do. Everyone has a role to play in protecting our oceans. Even small actions can make a big difference. Reduce your plastic consumption, choose sustainable seafood options, and support organizations working to conserve marine life. Educate yourself about the challenges facing our oceans and spread the word. By raising awareness and inspiring action, we can create a wave of change that will benefit fish and all marine life.
Section 10. A future for fish, our shared responsibility. The future of fish, and indeed all marine life, depends on the choices we make today. By understanding the importance of these aquatic wonders and the threats they face, we can become better stewards of our oceans. Let us work together to protect these fascinating creatures and ensure that future generations can marvel at the diversity and wonder of the underwater world. The time to act is now, for the sake of fish and for the health of our planet.